The Trams were very excited. Christmas was just around the bend. This meant plenty of Christmas shoppers would be coming. The yard and stations would be decorated, and of course, more money.
What? Money? Where's the money? Where? Give it me!
But strangely, only Patsy and Poochie were excited.
I can't wait for my first Christmas in the city Trams yard. Oh, Sam, those decorations do look horrible there. That'll never do. They need to go around the sheds.
Yes, they'd look just lovely, Patsy.
You know, we've had some wonderful Christmas memories together, but we've never had a white one.
Buh. You may just get your wish if it gets any colder.
Seriously though, wouldn't it be great?
Yeah, then we can go snow sliding.
Snow sliding? Oh goodness no! Snow simply looks pretty.
Huh, baby.
What?
I said maybe as in maybe you're right.
Oh, so there you lot are. What exactly have you been doing?
Well, we were just talking about...
Well, I'll tell you what I've been doing. All of your jobs. I have never been so worn out, and now I've missed all my lunch break. Why don't you come out and do some work, you lazy heap of scraps?
Everyone was stunned. None of them had ever seen Preston so angry before.
Oh my, I think he's angry!
Mr. Wells had been watching from his office, and he saw what happened.
Oi, you lot, break's over, get back to work! Oh dear, Preston looks like he needs a bit of cheering up. I have an idea!
Good night, everyone.
Night.
Oh,
Oh no.
finally, we'll get a white Christmas this year. I can't believe it!
Finally, we'll get to do some snow sliding this year.
Hey, calm down you lot. There'll be no snow sliding or playing. Or pretending to be asleep. I'll bet!
Quite, sir.
Snow won't stop us. There's always those 11th hour Christmas shoppers. What would happen to them?
Oh, yes, sir.
Now that's what I like to hear. Everyone get back to work now.
Come on, Bruno, follow me.
Oh, alright.
Looks like I'm doing all the work on my own again.
Well, I'm gonna try and phone the fuel company up about fresh fuel to get you through the winter.
No worries, Sam. I reckon I'll hibernate this winter.
Ah well, at least I won't have Patsy bossing me around again.
That has to be really secure, Ed. No, Brad, a bit more to the left. Keep going, Ted. Stop laying around Jed. That certainly would look better over there, Ned. Well done.
Ah, drat.
Not very far away, Eric and Bruno were at the top of a very steep slope.
We're at the top of a very steep slope, you know that, don't you?
I know we are.
But why would we be here? I mean, well, there's no... unless you were going to... Oh no, you wouldn't! You're not going to do that, are you?
Oh yes I am. See you later. Oh no! Help me! Oh no! I need help!
Meanwhile, Preston was on his way to collect more passengers. He turned round the bend and saw Bruno racing by on the opposite track.
Preston! 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 Stop! Stop!
What's up, Bruno?
Oh, Preston! Eric's in big trouble! He went snowsliding down Slippery Street and now I don't know where he could be!
Then we'd better go and look for him.
But he could be anywhere! It could take forever to find him!
I'm over here, you twat.
Oh, hello! What are you doing down there?
Stay here, Bruno, and watch Eric. I'm going to the yard for help. I won't be long.
What? Watch Eric? Oh, what do I do? What do I do?
Just stay there, would you?
Stay here? I want to help!
You can help by shutting up!
Preston raced into the yards.
Well, I think we've done a grand job. Good work. Do you mind?
Sorry, Patsy. It's an emergency. I need our finest crane.
You want me to tell you a joke?
No.
Oh, good. They're back. I must be the best starer and watcher ever.
Easy. I don't think I've ever taken on a decent job in all my life.
Soon, Captain Hook had lifted Eric out of the icy water,
Oh, phew. Thank you.
and they all returned to the depot. Mr. Wells was very pleased to hear about what had happened.
Well. Outstanding work, Preston.
Me, sir?
Why, of course. You put your duties aside to help Eric, and you knew what to do in an emergency. I've also heard all about your hard work, braving the snow to get your passengers safely around the city.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
As a reward, I've decided you can have time off until after the new year. Albert, you're doing your own work.
I'm asleep.
As for you, Eric, don't you ever do that again.
Sorry, sir.
You're just lucky to get out of that with just broken brakes and a scraped beam. Sam's agreed to repair those for you tomorrow, but for now it's very late, and I've got to count my money. Good night.
The next day was Christmas Eve. Bruno, Patsy and Albert were operating on their lines, Eric was being fixed, and Preston was enjoying his time off. Later, Sam and his workmen all went home, and the trams returned to the depot. They were all excited that Christmas had come.
On a cold winter's night that was so deep, Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star.